Okay guys, HM Trim Works here, and we're going to show you how to set a pre-hung door and center it in the doorway. Easiest, most efficient way possible. It'll literally take you about 5 minutes. Okay? It costs you maybe $3. Alright, we'll be right back and I'll show you how. Okay guys, the first thing you want to do is get yourself some corner bead. This is a regular stick of corner bead. If you don't know what it is, it goes in a corner before you tape and sheetrock it, okay? It's about $3 or $4 for an 8-foot piece. You cut it into 4-foot sections. You need 6 of them per door. And what you're going to do is you're going to take some pan head screws, whatever you have, little pan head screws, and you're going to screw them on the door frame so it's even on the inside, so it's even right here on the door frame. One, about at each hinge. All right, and then directly across on the other side. All right, and we'll be right back. I'll screw them on and I'll show you. Okay, guys. Now we got our quarter bead screwed to the side of the door. Just little pan head screws. They don't go through. That's all you need, 2 in each one. Okay. So you put 6 of them on, 3 on each side. All right. Next thing you want to do is find the center of the top of the door. All right, and mark it. And then we're going to come over here and we're going to find the center here. Not in the frame, but between the corner of this wall and the corner of that wall. Because the frame could be a little off center in the opening itself. And if you frame it in the center of the opening and that's off center from wall to wall, it's going to look off. So go from wall to wall and mark the center. And we're going to do that right now and we'll be right back, okay? Okay guys, we got our corner beads screwed onto the side of the door. We got a center mark on the frame. We got a center mark on the top of the wall here. From corner to corner, not from the opening, okay? Now we're going to put the door in the opening and we're going to screw through the corner bead with regular, get a message, with regular old 1 5/8" drywall screws with, screw gun, okay? Hope you guys can see this. Stick it in the doorway. It won't fall through because the corner bead's holding it. Okay? Now just line up your marks, the top marks. Okay? I dropped the screw somewhere. Tilt it over to where the marks line up. And put a screw right through the corner bead into the stud. There you go. Now you just level the side up, screw that in. Alright. She's pretty level right where she's at. This side will hold the reveal because the hinges are there, okay? There you go. Boom, you're in like flint. You're halfway done. Getting another message. Hold on. Okay guys, we're back here. Hang the door. After you get the hinge side screwed in with the corner bead, level it up, screw it in with the corner bead. The little trick is take a paint stick, okay? You got the reveal here. It's about a paint stick size, okay? On this side here, to make sure, before you screw this side in with the corner bead, lift up the frame, stick the paint stick in there, and that gives you the same view all the way across, okay, at the top. All right, and you're good to go. Your frame's square here to there. Now, what I have to do is worry about the reveal here on the side, and you can see it, and keep it the same, and screw it in. I'll show you that right now. As soon as I grab a couple screws, I'm gonna move it over a little bit. Right there. Like I said, the trim will cover all this stuff. Don't worry about it. Keep the same reveal here, all the way down. Put the screw in. And the bottom. At the very bottom is kicking in. You can pull that back with the trim. Don't worry about it. You guys worry about too much stuff. I got other things to worry about. Anyway, that's how you hang the door literally in less than 5 minutes. And it costs you maybe about $1 with that section of corner bead. A whole corner bead costs $3 or $4. You can hang four doors with one piece of corner bead, and it literally would take me about 3 minutes to hang. You know what I mean? If I wasn't videoing it. So there you go. And then you use paint sticks in there. There you go. Door opens. Door closes. There you go. Ready to go. Put your hardware on, trim it out. You guys know how to trim it out, or there's other videos on that. And you're done. Okay? See you later. Have fun.